Welcome to an introduction to LT3, a 12-session program for students and tutors to engage with the three critical dimensions of creative teaching and learning: cognitive diligence, social integration, and emotional resilience. The course is an introduction to facilitation of learning, whether for oneself or for others, by regulating emotions, sustaining imagination, and inculcating a habit of reflection. Process is about managing expectations. What does one intend or expect to explore, find, or create through an engagement? Materials and components, or the organization and configuration, or the making and construction, or is it the eventual experience, and so on? Objectives are clearer only later during the process, and the expectations and the creative trajectory need to be regularly realigned throughout the course. The grouping and sequencing of tasks and ideas is the structure, which needs to be accommodative, bare, and robust to allow surprising discoveries and avoid straitjacketing of the processes. Multiple time frames, the clock, social and institutional schedules and natural rhythms need to be reconciled to project, run, and deliver a task. This is the dimension of cognitive diligence, the development of necessary intellectual rigor, perhaps the most conspicuous part of the creative process. However, it demands due consideration that each of the nodes is dynamic and not immovable. The essentially social nature of our being inevitably brings us in contact with people, whether intended or not, and irrespective of the scale or duration of the task. We naturally acquire tolerance in varying degrees to others, different approaches, and distinct ideas. This skill is necessary to get things done. However, to get things done well and in the interest of our comprehensive growth, we need to develop empathy, the ability to not only understand but also feel the other. Whether or not we are able to meet the tall order of collaboration, working with others is indispensable, and this social condition is necessary because we seek diversity, which is perhaps the only guarantee for survival in the face of unprecedented adversity. This is the dimension of social integration, intrinsic to the creative process, which most of us have no choice but to deal with. What is rarely paid attention to, particularly as the task grows in complexity and scale, is the self. Our collective foci seem to blur beyond areas of mental acumen and social etiquette. The emotional upheavals seldom get the light in time. We are wired to be afraid of the unknown, for it may kill us. Learning anything involves confronting the unknown. Courage, which is not about not having fear, instead is about moving in spite of fear, is an essential quality we need to build to open ourselves to learning. The creative process is full of anxieties. Am I capable? Will it be good? Will it happen? How long will it take? Doubts galore. Patience is an invaluable skill to have and to develop. While courage and patience may still find mention in better training processes, it is katharsis which needs to be brought into conversations to see what has been released, lost, and gained during the course of learning. This is the dimension of emotional resilience, which carries an individual's uniqueness, a trait perhaps most crucial for creativity. The theoretical premise of the course is the paradox that as teachers we are always learning, and that to learn something better we must also teach. Through various references, exercises in text, graphics, collage, and theatre, and volumes of conversations, participants will be encouraged to create and collaborate. Emphasis will be on employing visual concept maps, drafting briefs, and maintaining reflective journals. The intent, however, is not to provide templates, but to offer processes to develop individuality and one's unique methods for effective facilitation of care, curiosity, and creativity.